Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. Today we're going to fire up the Lone Star Grill's offset again. We're going to do some country ribs, got a little Conecuh sausage. We'll see what kind of size Miss Carrie wants. Just got a few of them, 4 big ones. And today we're going to be using the Meat Church Gospel all-purpose rub. That good stuff. Y'all go check out Meat Church Barbecue also. And don't forget to check out UncleSteveShake.com. Good stuff. SuckleBuster's is a good one, and Cosmos Q has a good one. So my top 3: Uncle Steve's, SuckleBuster's, and Cosmos Q. And Meat Church is pretty darn good too, y'all. Anyways, y'all come down here and show what we're working with today. We just got 4 of these big country style ribs right there, and we're gonna hit them with a little bit of this Meat Church. And so let me get that done, and I'll meet y'all out by the grill. Grill's up to temp. We're about 240. I did grab a couple more sweet potatoes. But, boy, y'all look at that, man. That is just beautiful looking ribs with that Meat Church. Nice color on there. Alright, let's get these put on here. Sweet potatoes going up top. On that side, and we're going to put the ribs on this side. We'll run these up to about 145, somewhere in that neighborhood there. Alright, just like that, y'all. Let's get this closed back down before we lose all our heat. And we'll come check on this here in a little bit. Okay, let's see, it's been about 20 some odd minutes. Let's see how we're looking, guys. Oh yeah. Dang, them ribs cook fast, y'all. I'm thinking maybe I'll go ahead and sauce these. I might sauce a couple and not sauce a couple. The sweet potatoes are getting them. We'll flip them. Hot boy, hot. Alright, let's put some sauce on these guys. Look, we got a little bit of SuckleBuster's honey barbecue sauce. So let's hit the big ones over here on the left side. We're going to hit 2 of them with that. They're all spread out and everything. Oh yeah. And we'll give that a few minutes. We'll do the other side, and we're going to pull all this off, y'all. Alright, a couple of minutes on that side. Let's flip these dudes over. And we're going to sauce the other side right quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice. We'll let you go a couple minutes, and we're gonna pull these off, let them rest. We're waiting on sweet potatoes, and after a while, I might do a little bread. So, oh yeah, them potatoes are getting righteous. All right, guys, we'll be back. Okay, ribs are done. We're gonna pull them dudes off there. We're gonna let them rest. Boy, that looks nice, huh, y'all? Juicy. All right. Sweet potatoes got a few minutes left, and I think we're gonna go ahead and do with some more garlic bread. So let me get that together, and we'll be back in a minute. We got the Conecuh sausage put on. We're about to put some garlic bread on here. Top right. We're gonna let that go for a little bit. Oh yeah, the sweet potatoes and ribs are resting, so we'll check on these in about 10 minutes. Alright, sausage has been on for about 15 minutes. We're gonna flip it. Well, it smells good. I tell you, I love that Conecuh sausage. And let's check our bread right quick, y'all. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna flip that over. Give it a few minutes. Sausage almost done. Give that a few minutes on that side. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, we'll be back, y'all. Okay, sausage is done. Bread is done. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? Nice. Ooh, look nice and crunchy. Alright. Hot boy, hot. Alright, pull this sausage off and I'll meet y'all inside when all this stuff is ready to plate up. Alright, everything's rested. We got our sausage cut up here. Let's cut this big dude up and see what we got, y'all. Ooh, that's tender. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little smoke ring. Now, I did smoke with pecan wood. Boy, that's nice, yeah. Let's slice this up a little bite. Or two. And let's see what we got, y'all. Cheers to you, gang. And we did use the SuckleBuster's honey barbecue sauce and gospel, Meat Church gospel, all-purpose rub. Cheers to you. Y'all, it's like a party in your mouth, man. That is really good. Really good. Take two. Meat Church Gospel, all purpose, and SuckleBuster's honey barbecue sauce. Good stuff. Don't forget the sausage, Conecuh. Yum. That's so good, y'all. Right quick. Garlic bread on a regular grill, not the griddle. What? You heard that? Here you go, babe. That's so good. I use the LSG a whole bunch. That grill is bad to the bone. It can do anything, y'all. For real. Love my Weber, love my Oklahoma Joe, love my Traeger. But this grill is like all of those rolled into one. Anyway, y'all check out my buddy Chris over at LoneStarGrills.com. Get you a Lone Star Grills offset or cabinet smoker, whatever you like. But that is awesome. Anyway, all right, we're gonna get out of here. We'll see y'all next weekend. Bye bye.